Hello everyone, I am Dr. Godanda Raman. In this section we are going to discuss with scalar potential problem. Look at this problem. If del pi equal to 2xyz I vector plus x square z j vector plus x square y k vector, then find the value of pi. Now first of all, what is a scalar potential? The scalar potential is nothing but scalar potential, the form del pi equal to f vector, del pi equal to f vector. So what is a del? Del is vector differential operator. It's a vector. It's nothing but I vector dou by dou x, j vector dou by dou y, k vector dou by dou z. And then let the right hand side value, the given problem, see this right hand side value to consider f vector. Let f vector equal to 2xyz I vector plus x square z j vector plus x square y k vector. Now this potential, scalar potential del pi equal to f vector. Now what is the del pi equal to f vector? So del is I vector dou by dou x, j vector dou by dou y, k vector dou by dou z. So this is a del into pi equal to the right hand side value is our f vector. What is the f vector? 2xyz I vector, x square z j vector, x square y k vector. Now equating this, so before that multiply pi inside this bracket, I vector dou pi by dou x plus j vector dou pi by dou y, k vector dou pi by dou z. Then right hand side value 2xyz I vector, x square z j vector, x square y k vector. Now equating this, equating the coefficient of I vector, j vector, k vector. Now the coefficient is nothing but, see this is I vector, I vector. Now the coefficient is nothing but dou pi by dou x equal to the right hand side value 2xyz, and then next coefficient, j coefficient, the left hand side dou pi by dou y equal to x square z, and then z coefficient, sorry k coefficient dou pi by dou z x square y. For this equation, integrating with respect to partial with respect to x, the first one integrating partially with respect to x. So when I integrate partially with respect to x, dou pi by dou x value pi, and when I am integrating this term right hand side value, x only the variable, other value to consider constant. Therefore when I integrate x, x square by 2, other term constant, so 2 x square by 2 y z, plus generally we are writing c is a constant, so write c is a constant, or here it's nothing but the function of y comma z, the function of f1 of y comma z, because x is the independent variable, here the f1 of y comma z. Now to cancel this 2 cancel, therefore pi equal to x square y z plus the function f1 of y comma z. and then the next term, this term again integrating partially with respect to y. Therefore pi equal to, here x square is at constant to consider. Therefore when this dou by dou y moving to right hand side, integration is y plus f2 of, here y only the variable independent of y, then f2 of x comma z. And then third term integrating partially with respect to z. So now the left hand side, though pi by dou z is nothing but pi equal to, then the right hand side x square y is a constant. This dou by dou z when is moving right hand side, after the integrating of dou by dou z plus f3 of x comma y, f3 of x comma y. So this is a term. So now to combine with all the three pi's, so this is the integrating is completed. Now combining, when combining this 3 pi's, the 3 pi is nothing but combining to consider, this is the equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore combining equation 1, 2, 3 we get. So when we combine, so don't add all the values, all the term. Combine means the repeated term to ignore. For example, suppose the first term x plus y, the second pi equal to, the second term y plus z, third term z plus x. So compared to this first term x here, the x again repeated, y here y repeated, z here z repeated. So don't add x plus x to x, y plus y to y, z plus z to z. Don't add all the variables, same variable don't add. Repeated term just ignore, because of we are combining the repeated term. So when is repeated, we should combine. Therefore see, in this term is nothing but pi equal to x square y z. When I am looking here, again x square y z, again x square y z. So don't write this term, see, x square 3x square y z, don't do that. This is a 3, don't write, because of we are not adding the term, we are combine the term. So repeated term only one time to repeated, or 2 time repeated, 3 time, whatever, how many times are repeated, just ignore, to write only one time x square y z. So second term repeated, third term repeated, just to ignore, plus c, here c is nothing but arbitrary constant. So this is a pi value. Thank you.